Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. All right, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing you want to do here is to just load up your Switch and navigate to System Settings. Then from System Settings, go to Internet and select Internet Settings. Here, you'll be able to find your Wi-Fi connection. So select your Wi-Fi and then choose Change Settings. On the next page, scroll down until you've DNS settings and then change the DNS mode from automatic to manual. When you do so, you'll get two options for DNS, primary DNS and then the secondary DNS. So just head over to primary DNS and change its value to this and click OK. After setting the primary DNS, save the settings. Now just go one step back and connect to your network. It'll then say registration is required to use this network, so simply click Next. Then select Continue to Google, and this way you'll be able to access Google in your Switch. Now just go ahead and type in Roblox. Select the first site from the search results. Sign into your account, and you'll be able to play Roblox on your Switch. So that's basically how you can get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.